over the years, an increasing number of investors have started showing relatively less enthusiasm for traditional investment instruments, such as fixed deposit, among others, in comparison to previous generations. So, in your view, what is the relevance of these traditional instruments in today's financial landscape?
I think, people do value the balance between the new age investments and the traditional investment and having both in their portfolio for better risk adjustments. And if you look at it, even data doesn't show that. It shows that the traditional products are still, uh, like, for example, deposits grew 12% year on year as we speak. Data as on last month. And with interest rates at 7 8%, I think FDs have shown a rising trend in the last a few months at least. So, and the same is applicable to mutual funds. It's a 40 lakh crore asset size. The industry is witnessing 12 to 15% growth every year. So, and we have, by the way, more than 3 crore mutual fund investors in India, and the number is growing significantly. And stockbroking accounts also have seen significant growth rates. So people do value the balance between, taking risk in the new age investments and still balancing it with the traditional investments. Um, I think FD encourages, since you touched upon FD, I would add value to the context of FD. I think it is popular because it, helps you from doing impulsive uh, shopping, and it helps
Keeps
build
the money
volatile,
invested away from spending.
yeah, volatile markets. Yeah, I mean, that's what I could think of right now. But yeah, I think it will never lose its charm. I think it is here to stay. Yeah.
All right. Let's get in the last word from you, Parikshit. Your thoughts on how technology and digital solutions can be leveraged to enhance financial wellness and access to financial services.
I think the use of technology is critical here, and but it's also very important to understand that that is ultimately a tool that in itself is not, not the driver of your investment. So, there are multiple platforms available now that will allow you access to the market. There are platforms that will allow you to educate yourself on some of this content. There is platforms available that will drive that discipline that multiple panelists spoke about. So that is the view that I would really take, that use these platforms as tools. There are systematic investment plans. There are nudges that are built into these platforms. Host of them coming around, but always to be cognizant of the fact that that is a layer of tooling in between. That itself is not the end. So if you're on a platform that is suggesting a particular set of investments, understand that platform is not the investment. Understand that is actually likely routing to an underlying asset that you still need to be aware of. And some of these platforms are actually very good at educating yourself about that. So yeah, as long as the context is that this is a degree of tools that is available, they're excellent. They will drive a lot of value, and they will actually deliver a lot of investable returns to you in terms of your time savings and your disciplines. But don't lose focus of where your actual money is going, and hopefully the risk reward trade-off works in everyone's favor.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks.